welcome to our channel Total Technology. Hi, this is Amit. Today we are going to talk about Sailpoint. Basically, this is the new series we are starting. Uh, Today it's the first video in Sailpoint. So, what is Sailpoint Identity IQ? It is one identity governance and access management tool. So before starting SailPoint in details, installation and further use cases, I'd like to mention few details about identity governance and identity management. So going further to the next slide. So as per the definition, identity management is a framework of policies and technologies for ensuring that proper people in an enterprise have the appropriate access to technology resources. Let me explain this. Suppose in an organization have 1,000 people or 5,000 people or 10,000 people, and all the employees has some access to some system, some mainframe system, some database system, some portal, and some other system. And if the employee's strength is very large, it it's very difficult to organize the access, managing those list of access every employee has. Now, what is the problem of it? If we do not track the access of each employee, what is the problem? Problem comes when some employee try to do something bad to the company. Suppose one is leaving the company and he tries to uh, do something bad for the company. Now he has some access to the mainframe system or some vital system which he suppose not he which he should not have an access. Now this employee can delete some accounts or delete database or can do anything to the system. This is kind of internal threat. So cyber is not cybersecurity is not all about external threat, it's also about internal threat. Internal threat is more probable to happen than external threat. So identity and access management is aimed to resolve this issue, ensuring that an organization have proper access for the all employees, not any extra access for the employees. So how identity management achieve this goal? So before starting to that, the pillar of identity management is the digital identity. Suppose one employee has 20 accounts, but this account are not linked, means these accounts are not linked to the person, so the organization cannot track this. For this, organization need to have one digital identity, which is the body of information about an individual, organization, or electronic device that exists online. So basically, digital identity is like passport or visa digitally. When an user or employee join an organization, one digital identity is created for him, and this digital identity linked to different accounts that the employee has, and it make the tracking easy. So now what happened that 15 accounts are linked to one digital identity, and any activity or anything can be tracked by via this digital identity. And there is some life cycle, like we grow up and we die. Like that, digital identity also created when an user joined to the company. Then there are some modification on the identity based on um, demand, means user needs some more access, then different accounts are linked to the digital identity, and finally the digital when the user or employee leaves the company, that digital identity is disabled and corresponding accounts are also disabled. So managing the whole thing is called identity lifecycle. So in the next slide, so these are the component of identity governance and administration. Uh, Here, how this identity management is done, we can understand this. First, that identity management life cycle, which I have shown in previous slide, and next the access request. So whenever uh, one user need some access to another system or need more privilege to the system, he raise some access request. This access request need to be documented and need to be followed different predefined steps. It should be approved by different manager or different application owner. So managing this is access request management. Then access certification. So as I mentioned that any employee have different access to different system, but what happened, this access is sometimes is temporary basis. In access certification, we check with the manager or some application owner that really this person need access to the system or not. If the uh, employee or the user don't need access to the system, then we disable the account. And this certification is done periodically, and there are different compliance policy which enforce that cert access certification need to be done periodically in quarterly or annually for each and every organization. There are some compliance like HIPAA and some others. And then come to auditing. Auditing means uh, doing the access certification kind of thing by a third party or internal auditing team. So they check whether everything is fine, everything is documented, everything is following compliance policy or not. So for auditing, that identity governance and administration tool supports different document, save different documents, save each and every activity for the user. So it helps in the auditing. And also for the report and analysis, it's stores some user activity. It also provide and it should also provide some reporting feature, how many user created in a particular month or particular week. So this kind of report is very useful for the higher management. And workflow management and entitlement management. So these two topics, I think it's hard to explain for me now. Workflow is in any process we are following different steps. So workflow management is nothing but the following different steps to achieve something, and this should be a part of identity governance and administration tool, identity management tool, and entitlement management. In identity and access management, entitlement means the quantity or the group, I can say, which control the level of access in a system. So entitlement management is also a part of identity governance, identity management. So moving to the next slide. So where Sailpoint stand? According to Gartner, in a recent review, Sailpoint is here. So as you see, this is two parameter they have in there. One is ability to execute, one is completeness of vision. According to this parameter, Sailpoint is quite leader position, top of the leader position, I say. So it's a very good tool for identity management and identity governance, and it's ought to learn this thing. And there are many jobs on this Sailpoint. So we'll see in the next video for this. Yeah, thank you. Thank you for subscribing our channel. Goodbye.